Oh, nice. She's easy now doing the star. Oh, good job. What did you learn today at school, Juliana? Did you learn something at school today? Oh, letter five. Number five. Letter five. Oh, okay. Can you write the five then? The five is easy. How do you do it? Show to mom. Oh, baliktad. Write it. Write it. A stick down. Baliktad. Baliktad. See, I know, but the right one is the one in there. Okay, do it in right then. There you go. Perfect. Oh, the six. That's number six. Do, do the five. Just slow enough. Don't be in a hurry. Oh, that's six. Don't connect it. That's number six. Hmm. That's S. That's like number two. There you go. Five. Perfect. Dilana, look at. Oh, there you go. Perfect. See, no, she did it. That. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah. Oh, she did a smiley face today. Oh, nice. So why did they? I know, I did. Yeah. He was there though. Well, no, he came to our office. Yeah, and that, yeah, yep. And I said that you bought the property on the leadership team, and you said when I'm trying to call him when I'm driving, and said, "Oh, did you check my text? Did you? I brought the property," and he's like, "What the-" I said, "You need to go back to work." Yeah, so you should do. Ah, what did he say? She should be coming. Why don't she come? No, you tell her you can make a trail for her without even no heels. I know that's what five. Oh, good job. Good job. Yeah, she should come. I think she should come. What do you think? No?